Am I thee for, nor letting my friend rename my cat? I, 27F, recently adopted a cat named Clover form a shelter. My friend Emma, 27F, helped me to get supplies, and she has been supportive, but she dislikes the name Clover and keeps suggesting more elegant names like Seraphina or Athena, despite my polite reminders that I want to keep the name Clover. Emma continues to call her by her imagined names she wants to call Clover. I firmly asked her to stop and use Clover's name. Emma got upset, saying she deserves a say since she helped me with Clover. Now Emma is distant and telling mutual friends that I am ungrateful and controlling. Am I the for insisting on keeping Clover's name?